In this episode, we are going to give you a tour of an Excel AFT suite on the Carnival Mardi Gras. That's coming up. We are going to take you inside cabin number 10492. Let's go check it out. Alright, so when you first walk in this, it's just like amazing! You have this great spacious area, so we're just gonna start in the front and work our way back, saving our favorite thing for the very last. So when you very first come in, you've got some nice little storage space here. Nice little table, great couch, and let's check out all of this storage area here. You've got some great drawers here, those are awesome, and a nice big TV that you can watch. And then moving on forward, you've got a couple shelves and even more drawers and storage. You got an awesome, nice fridge. And hey guys, that fridge is cold too, so hey, that's really good. This is an awesome chair, a nice little small seating area for you, which is really great. And before we take you, actually, we got another closet here, and if you can swing around and see that, we've got some pull-out drawers, which are so fabulous now. Carnival has added that on the Mardi Gras. That just helps make it super easy for shoes and things like that. So that is phenomenal. We're actually going to go to the bedroom next and show you that. So follow me. I love showing around, it's so much fun. So you have a nice king size bed here. Super lovely, awesome room. And then as you make your way on in, you've got another TV that's situated right in front of the bed. That's great. This is one of my favorite new features about the Carnival Mardi Gras, and that is this big, huge vanity area with this huge light here that lights up tons of area for you to get ready. And another thing I love about this, it's got 3 electrical outlets and 4 USB ports, which is phenomenal. Some more sitting area over here, which is super, super cute. Again, we have another desk, like by your bed. This is a reading lamp right there. Some nice storage, and yet even more little cubby area. This would be great for like your makeup and all of that wonderful stuff. All right, now we're gonna take and show you the bathroom. Follow me. Actually, before I show you the bathroom, I'm going to show you the separate closet that there is, and I'm going to let Jason just walk you on in, because really only one of us can fit in. So it's a really awesome closet with great storage though. Alright, now let's show you the bathroom. Come on in. Super spacious bathroom. I love it. More than one person can get ready in here. It's great. It has a double sink. This is just wonderful. The shower looks phenomenal. And there's no shower curtains. We have a glass door, which is great. And then Jason, if you can... Well, actually, we'll just keep coming this way because you walk around. You have a private toilet area. And now we're going to take you out and show you our favorite part. I know everybody wants to see the balcony space on these corner Excel suites. They're amazing. Come on out and look at this. Is this not amazing? What a great view out here.
Check out these lamps.
Nice chairs.
Check out those lamps.
Oh, those lamps. That's super romantic in the evening. Got some nice loungers here. You can fit like what, like 4 people on here? And then you get to have this amazing view off the back of the ship. Spectacular.
And if you want to do some people watching, which I know, look, I know all of you like to do some people watching. Look, right here off the deck, you can just sort of check out this pool that's off the back. So super stuffed, but is that all there is to it, Kel?
No, the balcony continues. Follow me. Isn't this cool? I love this. All right, come on, there's more. Just when you think like we're done, there's more. So we have another section over here with your jacuzzi tub. Come on in.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. So look, the Excel Suite is phenomenal. Everything we've seen on the Mardi Gras has been great, but to be able to enjoy one of these suites for an entire cruise, if you are fortunate enough to do that, you are blessed. You're going to have a great time on your cruise, right?
Yes, and it will be amazing. And also remember that if you book one of these suites, you get access to Loft 19, which is an additional perk, but it's great.
And if you haven't seen our video on that, be sure to check that out. Loft 19 is amazing.